up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. We're going to start posting content all the time. I've got $1 million idea, and to start this YouTube video I'm going to tell you what it is. Any person that creates a TikTok account and scales it from 0 to 100,000 followers with natural followers on TikTok, I'm going to give them personally $10,000. All you have to do, create a TikTok that's like with JLRC or Jones LRC, call it whatever you want, and scale it from 0 to 100,000 followers. It has to be natural followers because you can buy followers from Google or whatever. If you scale it from 0 to 100,000 followers, I'll give you personally 10 grand. It's going to take a while. It's going to be a little bit of hard work, but it's something that you can do after work. You can do it if you're in school. Anyone can do it, bro. It's just a little bit of extra time. It's going to take a couple of hours after work. You can just take home 10 grand. If you're very, very good, and I notice you myself that you're very, very good, I might even employ you. So it's a win-win. You don't even have to spend anything. It's not going to cost you nothing. It's literally free to do this, and if you fail, who cares? It's just an extra 2 hours, but you could win 10 grand. And if you scale account from 0 to 1 million followers, I'll pay you $100,000. This is something that you can do. You can do it from your own home. This is something that you could do within 6 months and make $100,000 more than anybody else that's doing it. The only rules that you have to do, you got a scale account that starts with, that's like something to do with Jones LRC. Then you also must have my link tree in the description so people can enter our giveaways. So that's how you're going to make money for myself, and that's how I'm going to be paying you. And if I notice you and you're doing very, very good, then I might just employ you myself, and you'll be on the paid books and you'll be getting paid. You'll fucking leave school if you're 16 years old. If you're 20 years old, you can do this. If you're 40 or 50 years old, anyone can do it. 0 to 100,000 followers, 10 grand. 0 to 1 million, $100,000 into your bank. And if I notice you, it could be a full-time job. What up team, welcome back. We got a buggy, a race buggy, off-road buggy, whatever buggy you want to call it. This is a wee practice video for our mainland challenge video. I'm just gonna got a GoPro on there. We got one GoPro in the buggy, but we actually we bought 4 or 5 GoPros, something like that. But yeah, we'll take you for a wrap in the buggy. Right there, bang, 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 bam. Right, I just took Anthony for a ride. We didn't put the facial camera on him. I should have, because he said he was crying most of the way.
You reckon?
No, jokes. We'll put the facial camera on and take my sister for a ride. Is it recording? Is it recording? Is it recording? Nah, all done. That's it. Quick, short video, mate. Fucking 5 minutes, 2 minutes, whatever the video was. You would have looked at it before you watched it. But that's it, all done. See you in the next one.